Hi guys, this is Vichalar from Trapcode. So in this video, we will understand how to print or export a portion of a page or a model or a subpage as PDF. So let's say you have a some page which is built and you want to basically extract as PDF. Previously, we were not able to export data table data group in PDF, so that is also added. So whatever is there on the page, you can choose to export the full page or maybe a section of a page as a PDF, and let's see how that can be done. So we have one section previously, which is a PDF template. This is something separate where you design the whole PDF and then it puts dynamic value and then export it. So this is not something which we are using. We have one more option where you can actually, instead of designing a layout, you can actually export an existing page, existing model, existing sub page as PDF. And that is something which we are going to see here. So let's say this is a page, this is our table. Let's see how this looks like. So this is a page, and let's say I want to export this data. This is a form. We'll try something else as in a PDF. Then we'll see how this can be done, right? So what we will do. So let's say I just want to download this table. Maybe add a few more things. Maybe add a label, a heading somewhere here. Let's add a section. Okay. So I'll just need a one column layout. I'll just give it here. Make it fixed with the layer manager. What I'll do, I move my heading in the container and I move my data table as well in the container. Actually, it should be inside the column of this container. Okay. So now I have this container and there's a table and there is some data in this container. Let's say I want to download all this as a PDF. So what we can do, we can create an event and then just export this. So let's see how we do it. So let's go to the event and create an event. Create. So now we go to this action, snippet model, and choose this option, generate PDF from a page or a snippet component, right? So the other option when you are generating a PDF from a pre-designed snippet template is here, but this is when you are basically not designing it. Whatever is there on the page, it is just exported as PDF. So this option is here. So here you can choose whether you want to do it from page, from a model webhook, or sub page. In this example, we are going to use from page. Which page? So we have this page called employee data. It is asking me that which component of that page you want to export or that print. I say I want a data. So basically this container. So because in container we have this row and then row we have all these things, right? Table, button, cell, and all these things, right? So we'll just export this particular container. Okay, and it is asking me what layout. So A4, A5, there are a lot of options. So I'll just keep it default. If you want to put some margin on the top, so let's say I say 1 centimeter and then save. So I just created an event which is just taking the portion of that page and exporting it as PDF. So I'll go to my page and add some button here to execute this event. Button or link, whatever you want to use. So I'll just search for a button component. Put it here somewhere. Okay, I change, let's say, and I change from submit button to button so that I can bind an event to this, and I'll just download this. Bind this event, download employee list as PDF. Okay. So my button is inside the container, so it will download button also. So I'll just move my button somewhere else, or maybe I'll just put one more section. Why I'm doing so? So that in my exported PDF, the button should not be there, right? Otherwise it will include button also, because there's also inside what we are trying to print. Okay, so this is the row, this is the container, and this is the other container. Okay, let's go. So this is fine. I have added the button and I have binded the event, right? Which is download this as PDF. I'll just publish the changes and then go to preview. So if I view this, I should be able to see the button. Now let's just download. So here it is downloading the data. So yes, my employee data and the result. So maybe we have added a lot of padding 1 centimeter everywhere, so it is messed up. So you can change the layout of the page. So basically this you need to adjust that depending on the content of the page, right? So we have added a lot of things and maybe it is squeezing the content. So here I don't add it. So I'll just make all things 0 and then I'll just publish again. Changes are published. Now let's go and reload the page and let's see this. I'll just say download. Now this is much better because we have reduced that extra padding which we added. So this is how you are able to export a section of a page as a PDF. Let's say the profile of a person and I want to export this as a PDF. So I think it should be straightforward. Let's go and create another event and go to my event. Okay, here we will go to the same section, generate from snippet. So page, which page? Now we are on employee details page. We'll just choose the parent component, right? We want to export the full page, right? Everything remain as it is. We'll go and go to the page and then bind this event to a button, right? To an employee details page. So let's say I'll drop a button. Change it to button. Let's say export. In the event, export profile as PDF. That's all. Publish the changes. I'll just reload the page. The button is here. I'll just click export. So it's exporting the profile. Let's see how this looks like. So this is how it looks like. And the button is also coming here because the portion which we have selected to export, the button is inside that portion. So if you want only export this part, then in the event you need to only select the thing which you want to export. So hope you are able to understand how to export your pages, your data table, a complete section of a page, sub page model as PDF in your Trapcode application. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.